Hey there, I am Blaze, and in this video I am going to be sound designing Merino Canal's track Independence drop lead. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you guys that this sound comes from my Afterlife style melodic techno sound bank for Diva. Check the description box to know more. To begin with, we are going to use a dual VCO for the main lead, and put VCO 1 an octave lower. Also increase the cross mod. Also make sure to select LFO 2 and increase it a bit. Next, select a high-pass pre-filter and increase it a bit. Next, select a cascade filter, and reduce the cutoff a bit and increase envelope 2 mix, which we will modify later on, and make sure your select clean and 12 decibels. Next, we are going to use analog envelope for both the envelopes, and shape both envelopes to something like this. Next, for FX, we are going to use a delay with increased feedback and a plate reverb. Next, under tuning, increase pitch up and down to 48. Also reduce the glide a bit and increase the vibrato. For the lead later, automate the fine to have that pitch up FX. Next, under LFO 2, select 1-1, and that's it.